Want to find out which program is causing your computer to lag? Here's how to find out which Windows 11 process is using up the most CPU power. Right-click on the Start button on the taskbar. Select Task Manager from the context menu. Select Processes tab and click CPU column header once so that all the applications that are using CPU are listed in descending order. So the highest CPU consuming application will be at the top of list. Then go to Performance tab and click CPU on the left side of the window. Click Open Resource Monitor link at the bottom of the window as shown in the below screenshot. Select CPU tab and click CPU column header once, and you will get to see the application using more CPU at the top of list. If you want to check average CPU, then click on Average CPU column header as shown below. Close the Resource Monitor and Task Manager windows. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.